Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team back out here with another video showcase of our project in downtown Kansas City. As you can see, we have saw cut around the potholes on this parking lot. This is the upper parking lot for the apartment complex that hired us to do this work. We are just getting the last minute prep work taken care of. Here in about an hour we will have concrete arriving. We'll get all of this patched up, looking very nice and neat with high strength concrete. We have a couple areas we're doing. This is probably the biggest stretch on the patchwork that we're doing up here on this part of the lot. We'll take a look here further down. If you bear with me just a minute while we walk over to the other part of the area. So you can see we've got the entryway for this, the entrance ramp, spots over here as well. We'll take a little walk down here to the other part of the lot here. There's about 3 different areas that we're going to be working on for this project. Coming up here we have an entryway where there was a lot of erosion. We're going to get that poured back. Coming up here, and first off, we do have some areas here that we're going to be patching also. A couple of those spots here, not nearly as much as the other drive, but we'll get those taken care of. The erosion spot is on the drive over here. So we've got this cut and cleaned out. So we're going to pour this back with high strength concrete later this morning. We'll get forms set up here shortly. And yeah, in about an hour we will have concrete arriving and get this all finished up. I think there are a couple little sections we may need to patch down here also. If we have any excess concrete, not too much right here, maybe a little bit there. Might be a couple spots down here as well. But yeah, other than that, we should be on track to get this wrapped up later in the morning. We're gonna have a buggy out here for to expedite getting the concrete out of the ready-mix truck, and other than that, we'll just have guys here working on finishing the concrete all morning. So stay tuned for the final walkthrough once we get the concrete taken care of out here in Kansas City. 816-288-4373, kingpiers.com. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC. If you have not visited before and are, I would greatly appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.